Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to Colette's Corner. And if you'd like to see the bag that I purchased from the Coach outlet, but it is a part of the Coach Reserve from the actual Coach retail store, hang tight, here we go. Okay y'all, it is a very, very huge box. But look at this, look at this giant size box for one bag. Look at that. All right, let's get into it. Hi guys, so this is an unboxing video. I will share with you my most recent purchase. I ordered two things from the Coach website. One thing is from the Coach Reserve, and there's another item from the Varsity line. Well, I don't know what is in the box, so let's open up and see what's in here. It's such a giant box, y'all. Like, look at that. It's just a very huge box. So currently I am in my Dooney & Burke large shopper with the DD75 print. Love this bad boy. Have a lot in there, like, yes, look at that. Not gonna go through the what's in my bag because it's not a what's in my bag video. All right, what it is that I have this beauty, and you can tell it came straight from the factory. She's nicely wrapped up. Look at that. Coach. All right, now I know you can see some pink and y'all know I'm not a pink fan, but look, there's pink in my top. So let's get my trusty little cutter and we're gonna cut her open. Do I want to cut the bag? I don't want to cut the bag. So here we go. Now, excuse all the rustling bag sounds, plastic sounds, but it is what it is. All right. Now, I love when I get a bag and she is just wrapped up like this. It's such a rewarding feeling, unwrapping, taking off all these things. It's like, it's satisfying. It is very satisfying, believe me. So I said video, my daughter locked the door. The pink on the handle is absolutely gorgeous. And if you know anything about me, you know pink is not my favorite color. However, I have been pulling for a few pink pieces. I have some pink makeup and I've been reaching for these, but I almost went for my blue and green excuse me, because they have two. This bag is the, hold on, let me tell you really quickly. She is the large Kia tote, I think. It's a Kia tote. And I picked this bad boy up for 85 bucks. Did you hear me? $85, y'all. $85. I jumped on that bad boy. I was like, listen. So the color is B4 Carnation Multi. And oh, look, her hang tag. I think this is what helped to draw me into the bag. That kind of lime green, the chartreuse, more like a chartreuse color. I just thought, wow. So yeah, I think I might jump into her. Let me get her tag off. So yeah, it's a Kia tote, KIA. So I just pulled off. It's a snap closure rather than, it's a magnetic snap closure. This part goes into that versus her dust bag. Hi, hello. really pretty. And here's the story, guys. I think the reason I grabbed this bag in particular is some months ago, maybe like a month and a half ago, I went to the Coach store in the mall, and they had this bag in the store. They had her. I remember her clearly because I thought to myself, maybe I should go back and buy it. It's a good thing I didn't go back and buy it full price, because I would have beat myself being on sale as it is now. The last time I checked yesterday, she was still on sale, as well as the other colors. And I do know that they're having like a 15% off currently on the website. So if you want this bag, go ahead, run and grab it. So on the bottom, she has, and it is leather, so it's not the canvas, coated canvas, it is leather. So here you have orange, then you have pink, you have like that bold, that is also orange, but like a brighter orange. Yep. And the handles are actually like that Pepto-Bismol pink. That's what I call it. All right, so let's get all her things out of here. I think the only thing that, all right, this is the inside of the bag, and it is a tote bag, so you know it's deep. She has this large pocket right here, and that's your Coach Creed. And this is the zipper. There, you see, I can fit my hand down in there up to there, so it has some depth to it. The pocket, it has some depth to it. All right, so here we are. Just trying to get rid of the little pieces of thing off the tags. One more piece. Okay. So there's this gap right there by the handle, and where the okay, is it removable? Let me see what's up. It's not removable. I think I would ruin the bag if I try to remove it, but there it is. So you can see the gap right there. But it is stitched into the handle, okay? So you can't take and pull that out. All right, but that's it. That's her only setup. And then snap closure there. That's it. She feels light. She feels rather light. So I hope when I add things to her, because sometimes straight out the box, the bag alone will feel very light, but and it's leather. So as soon as you start adding things to the bag, then we gain some weight. I like the handle drop on this one. It's long. It looks like, I don't know, I'd have to look at the dimensions online. If anybody is interested, just ask. I'll post the dimensions, but I'm not going to go measure anything. So let's see. That's it. It doesn't have feet on the bottom. I think that's probably my one disappointment. The thing I like with my Dooney bags, they have feet on the bottom usually, so you know, you're not afraid to set your bag down. And you hear that, yeah, y'all know I sit here and play with it, right? So anyway, she is leather, and I love the orange. I love that it has the green there. I'll have to turn this hang tag around. And I love the bold Coach print on the front, as well as right now how it is feeling. So that is the Kia tote from Coach, and I picked this up from the Coach Reserve It was marked Coach Reserve, and I did see this in the Coach retail store. So yeah, it's pretty. She's really pretty, and I like her. I like her. She just looks cutesy. All right, we'll see. I might jump into her on the weekend, quite possibly, because I don't feel like switching over my bag this afternoon. So quite possibly I'll switch in her for the weekend, like Friday, Saturday, thereabouts. But yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy her. I'll let you guys know in a future video how I enjoy the carry, as well as when I have stuff in there, I will model it for you then, and then tell you guys how the weight was, if it made a difference, how the weight shifted when I put my stuff in, and what I carried in there, and then share that with y'all. But for now, thank you for watching, and stay safe, be kind to each other, and until the next video, walk good. Bye.